How to redeem Google Play gift card from another country. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel The Solution Guy. So in today's video I'll simply guide you on how you can redeem your Google Play gift card that you brought from another country. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you brought a gift card from USA and you're trying to redeem it in some other country, you have to actually connect to a VPN of USA and then redeem that gift card. So in this case, what you want to do is simply just go ahead and search for any of the VPN application. Just open it up and then you want to make sure to simply connect to it. So I'm going to wait until a connection has been established, and now you can see it has been connected to USA. Now once you've done that, you simply want to make sure to close the Play Store application and then relaunch it again. And when you relaunch the Play Store application, tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen, then go to the option called payments and subscriptions, and then once here you'll find the option called redeem code. Just tap on the redeem code button and it will ask you to enter the code, right? So just make sure to go ahead and then enter your gift card code, and then you should be able to redeem it as long as you are connected to your specific VPN. And that's all it takes to go ahead and then redeem your gift card that you brought from another country. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.